Looking for a way to create high-fidelity prototypes without wasting time on design work? Krisspy has a lifetime deal that can save you money. I'll cover what it is, how it helps, and if this deal is worth it. Let's dive in. Krisspy is an AI-powered tool that helps you turn your product ideas into polished, editable prototypes in minutes. No coding or design expertise needed. Compared to traditional design tools, it streamlines the entire prototyping process and makes it faster and easier. If you struggle with creating prototypes quickly or aligning teams on designs, Krisspy can help. Key features include AI-generated prototypes, real-time iteration, and easy Figma integration. This tool is perfect for freelancers, product managers, and small businesses who need to turn ideas into production-ready interfaces fast. It saves time by automating the design process and letting you tweak your prototypes without needing design skills. Many product teams use it to streamline their design workflows and get prototypes into testing faster. While Krisspy is great for rapid prototyping, it may not be ideal if you need complex custom designs or high-end design features. Consider if you need quick, editable prototypes and if you'll be using it long-term. The lifetime deal costs $119, a huge savings from the regular price of $1,284. This limited-time offer lets you access Krisspy without recurring subscription fees. Check out the deal link in the description. If you need to create prototypes quickly and easily, Krisspy is a great tool to grab. Use the link in the description to get this amazing deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lifetime deal updates.